If you want to embed a PDF on Squarespace without overcomplicating the process, this tutorial will walk you through it step by step. We're going to use Google Drive to host the PDF, grab an embeddable iframe code, and then place it directly into your Squarespace page using a code block. This is a simple method that works well when you want visitors to view a PDF right on your site instead of downloading it separately. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Let's get started. First, upload your PDF document to Google Drive. You can do this by opening Google Drive, clicking New, and then uploading your file. Once the upload is finished, locate the PDF in your drive and right-click on it. From the menu that appears, select Share. This is an important step, because if the file is not publicly accessible, the embed may not work correctly for your website visitors. Now change the general access setting to anyone with the link can view. This makes sure that anyone who visits your Squarespace page can actually see the PDF without needing permission from your Google account. After that, click the three vertical dots on the right side of the file options. Then select Open, and then choose Open in New tab. This will open the file in a new browser window where you can access the embedding tools. In the new window, click the Files option, then choose Share, and then get Embed Link. Google Drive will generate an HTML iframe code for you. Copy the entire iframe code exactly as it appears in the box. Be sure not to miss any part of the code because every piece is needed for the embed to display correctly on your Squarespace page. Next, go to your Squarespace page editor. Open the page where you want the PDF to appear and click Edit in the top left corner. This will put the page into editing mode. Now click Add Block and select Code. This adds a code block where you can paste the embed code from Google Drive. Once the code block appears, click the pencil icon to open its settings. Delete the default text snippet inside the block. Then paste your copied Google Drive iframe code into the empty field. After that, save your changes inside the code block. Now comes the final visual step. Stretch the boundaries of the code block box to your desired width using Fluid Engine's grid handles. You can make it wider or narrower depending on how you want the PDF to appear on the page. If your PDF looks too small, simply expand the block. If it looks too large, reduce the width until it fits your layout cleanly. When everything looks right, click Save in Squarespace to publish your changes. At this point, your PDF should now be embedded on the page and visible to your visitors directly inside your website. This is a great way to share downloadable resources, manuals, portfolios, worksheets, or any other document you want people to access easily. And that's how to embed a PDF on Squarespace using Google Drive and a code block. It's a fast, practical solution that gives you more control over how your document appears on your site. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Squarespace walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.